It's your girl Bella. Hi everybody. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below because I would love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Okay, so today I finally got these curtains done. See those curtains back there hanging? I'm going to show you a close-up of what I did. Guys, this is done on this big of a budget, and I'm not kidding. This is how to make your curtains look completely custom and designer on a budget like this big. And I'm not even kidding. So I'll give you a short explanation and then I'm gonna turn the camera around and I will show you what I did. So first of all, those curtains, I bought 5 panels in total because I always had planned to do this. I bought 5 panels, 4 panels are up, and then I used the 5th panel to cut. And what I did, first of all, they're from a Giant Tiger here in Canada. And if you know what that is a really low-end discount store that we have here. It's like a Walmart, like the Canadian version of a Walmart. So it's really inexpensive, really, they have good things, but it's really inexpensive. So these were bought on a budget. Every single panel was bought for $20. So that was $100. Oh my goodness. I can't count sometimes. So that is $100 in total for what I did. And I don't think that I could have spent $100 on curtains because I looked and looked everywhere. Another thing I did is I added a ribbon, which was very inexpensive. In total, I wasted 2 rolls of ribbon for these curtains and almost 2 rolls of heat bond. And that is it. And that is all I used to make them. So I will turn around and you can see them and you can see what they really look like. And I'm really, really happy. And I hope this gives you some inspiration to do some custom curtains in your house because there was no sewing involved at all in this. So yes, I'm going to turn the camera on and you'll see what I did. Okay, girls, so this is the before of these curtains, and you can see right there on the video that they are not touching the ground, and that drives me absolutely nuts. So I had to come up with a solution. Okay, girls, this is what you need. You need a pair of scissors, a pencil, ribbon, which this is the ribbon that I bought from Micheal's. It's the Celebrated 360. It says it right here. There's 4 yards in this. And then I also got Heat Bond, the Ultra Hold. I'm pretty sure I bought this at Walmart. And then I also got 1 extra panel for the 4 panels that I have. And I cut 17 inches, but I'll show you that in a minute. So this is what each one of my panels cost. And these were bought at a store here in Canada called Giant Tiger. And this is done on a major budget. So this is what you need. Oh, and you also need a measuring tape or a dressmaker's ribbon, because measuring ribbon, because I cut the panel, the extra panel 17 inches. So I'll show you how I did it. Okay guys, this is how I hemmed the bottom of the curtains. This is the add-on piece. This is the 17-inch add-on piece. But this is how I hemmed it, and this is how I started. So again, I'm using that fusion tape there. And what I did is I actually ironed the entire hem first, and then I placed the fusion tape, and I placed it right at the edge, and then I'm just fold it over and take my hot iron, and I'm gonna iron the fusion tape to the hem, and then I'm gonna flip this over and I'll show you how I attach this piece to the full length of the curtain. Okay guys, so as you can see here, this is the curtain, and I've ironed it, and I've also placed the fusion tape right here at the edge. And this is the cut piece that I did, and it's hemmed here already. And I did that with the fusion tape. I already showed you that. Now I know this looks really messy because this edge is really frayed, but that's okay. You just put it on here and you hold it down really tight and you get your iron and you just start ironing, and it really bonds really, really quick. That was like live and it's already bonded to the material. So I just keep going all the way down. And here where it looks so terrible like this, I'm just gonna place a ribbon on top, but I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so you take the backing off the heat bond, and I place the heat bond right here at the seam of the fabric that I've already heat bonded on. And I actually made a mistake, so I had to refilm this again for you guys because I didn't press play on my camera. Okay, so I put the heat bond right in the seam, right in the middle of the seam, and I leave a little bit over. Like I need more than that. I need a little bit over because I'm gonna wrap this around in the back and the ribbon in the back. Okay, so I've placed the heat bond there. Just I did a maybe like half a foot, and then you can see there the heat bond is just sitting out. But I'm gonna wrap that after. So what I do is I take my ribbon like so, and I leave a little bit over, like hanging over, and I place that on there right in the middle like that, and really carefully so it's nice and straight. And I know it's nice and straight because I actually left that stitch there is from the hem of these curtains, so it's kind of my guide. So I kind of left that there, and then I just place the ribbon on top, and you take your iron and you just iron it on like so, and you just press down and few seconds, and honestly this works amazing. And there you go. So now the ribbon is attached to the curtain. Okay guys, this is the finished product. You can see here at the bottom that the curtain touches right, just graces the floor. The pretty ribbon looks really, really good. And if you pan all the way up, the curtains do look really, really good. Sorry for the lighting. So there is the rest of them. The 4 panels are all done, and I'm so, so happy with them. There you go. I'll show you. Okay guys, so that was it. That is it. I hope this gave you super inspiration on how to take the most inexpensive curtains and make them completely high-end. I don't know if I mentioned before, the curtains originally were 96 inches long, and I added 17 inches with hem. Well, I cut 17 inches and then I took about a quarter off for the hem. So 16 3/4 I added to the 96 inches because my windows were really, really high. Anyways, if you liked this video and it was helpful and useful to you guys, give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, and share. And yes, I'm a little extra today because this is Mother's Day and we're about to go out and have dinner. Okay, so I hope you guys had an amazing Mother's Day. Give this video a big thumbs up. I already said that, but I'm saying it again because, you know, I like to ramble. And if you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by and totally love this video and me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below because you got to join me. Anyways, I'm your girl Bella. I hope you have an amazing, amazing day. Have an amazing start to your week, everybody. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, YouTube.